First one that I'm performing for you guys is called Rains. Let's go. Yeah. Okay. I ain't the seed that started to bloom, trying to compete, not what you can do. Decide the king, I'm not losing to you. Yeah, I got a problem, so we better recognize. I stay in my lane for the second I get on the mic. I came to the talking, I'm getting used to this, to the guy. I know my friends have been close to the threat. Everyone around me, you know the best, never put to the test. I'm better than the rest, I'm making up close to the best. Not the best I mean, many one thing, my father to see what it takes to get to the top. And I'm gonna send this, and I know that when they see that we ain't to the same league, I know they're harder than the gravy, it'll end at the Navy's, wanna get you gold, but we at the Blakey, I don't wanna run. I'm nice, but to the wrong place. You don't want to base me. What I had, mom, with the work that you want to fuck me. You best get to step in your arms to the top, the head to the way. Anybody who wants to let me come away, yeah. It's all for the game. Till I pull down the rain. I'll show you why I love the rain. You go see the lights of rain. It's all for the game. Till I pull down the rain. I'll show you why I love the rain. You go see the lights of rain. Maybe one day my home is that strong. Things are like force me to step up. Look to the low, but I never my head up. That's when I knew that I was next up. But I had to branch out and pop from the next up with the bird. He was swinging for the bench. Yeah, I had me up on him. One of my causes on me. Not the mothers in my car. And all I do is keep my blood on next up and keep moving up. They get me checked. They better check cut up. I'ma break it off. One of my clothes is what I hang it on. This is that you run my to. She was shining. I'm gonna be dressed up and I'm gonna take this out. The rest of the love is mine. I'm gonna see happiness is all just know I protect what's mine. And I'm gonna fucking go off to that line. Got some who stay trying to go out the line. But don't know that I'm there. I'm on all that time. But that's it. So yeah, I can be here at the moment. I'm tempted. Say what you want, but I don't respect it. You was never name you ask the best. Till I moved up the rank, I'll show you why I love the rain. You go see there's lots of rain. Till I moved up the rank, I'll show you why I love the rain. You go see there's lots of rain. Ladies and gentlemen, let's burn. I'm here to stay. And the one. Now, for this next song, I'm actually going to perform two songs that are coming up on my upcoming project called Come Up. This first one I have released is called Self-Belief, and it's about, having belief in yourself and believing that you can achieve your dreams or whatever. Because, not only will you have people doubting you, but the last person that you want to doubt you is you. You know what I'm saying? And so, I wrote this song as a little reminder, not only to other people, but to myself. It's hey, forget what they think. You know what I'm saying? Just do you, be you, and just. So without further ado, this is Self-Belief.
Like every amount of accomplishment, that's the society you can do it about yourself. All that shit. That's the fuck y'all. Talk my shit till I'm fucking die. I don't wait for y'all to tell me you need to green light my own confidence. How you gonna green light my confidence? Y'all tripping.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, man. Like, at the end of the day, the last person you want down to you is you. You know what I'm saying? Everybody in the world can go and say you can't do something, but the last person you want to doubt yourself is you. If you don't believe in you, who will? You know what I'm saying? Alright, so for this last one, I haven't released it yet, but again, it's gonna come off my upcoming project. And there's a song that I wrote after I had a conversation with my mom about like how throughout my entire life, my family was like all they know is just hard work. Just go to work, get a paycheck, come home. And I even asked her, I was like, Mom, what did you want to do when you were younger? Like, not like don't give me no societal like, oh, I just want to take care of no. Before you had babies, like what did you want to do? She goes, well, I wanted to be a singer. I'm like, you can do that. Like there's no timeline. Like you're not late. You know what I'm saying? Like as long as you're alive on this earth and you're breathing, you still got time. You know what I'm saying? And so I told her, I was like I understand that, you know, our family has all they know is hard work, but I kind of want to do it different. You know what I'm saying? Like I want to, you know, be the one that chases their dreams. And so without further ado, this last time I performed for y'all, it's called Different.
Failure has made me who I am today. Failure gives you two choices. You stay down or you get up. Well, I'm up and I am fired up because I have figured it out. I have figured out that I need to stand in this ring and just plain old do something I should have done a long time ago.
So much shit that I can decide to let the bottom. I can't go when my tape was on. come up here, do your thing, show your art, you know what I'm saying? I view my art like my baby, you know what I'm saying? Like my art is my baby. And I want to nurture it, and I want to, show it to the world, you know what I'm saying? So come up here, do your thing, and if you mess up, it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? But without further ado, let's bring the next one up.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Amazing, amazing. I love your story about wanting to do things differently. I'm going to try to multitask. This is how it is. Yeah, I definitely feel that. And it's inspiring to know that I'm not alone in the journey of doing things differently. I grew up in a culture that was very pro education, and if you had anything less than a bachelor's degree, you were worth less. Not worth anything, but you were worth less than other people. So they pushed us. So my older brother, younger brother, basically were forced to major in biology. Same with me. My older brother decided to pursue business, and then my younger brother decided to go with engineering. And so I was left the only one that decided to go to medical school. And I had to admit to myself in the last 6 months, and I finally told my parents that me finishing med school was their dream, not mine. I mean, I finished the degree, my dad's like, now I can die happy. And I said, that's a lot of pressure to put on one person to make you happy. I don't think that's my job to do. And so now I'm doing my thing, and music is my passion. It's something that I can wake up every day and feel excited about, and that's not a lot of people who can say that. And I'm just so grateful for the experience of that, and I think what it takes is taking yourself out of the environment that broke you and putting yourself around, surrounding yourself with people that will hype you up and support you in what you do. So that's what I'm about, and I love it. So I'm really grateful to meet all of you, and just new people, new faces, old faces. And that's not to say that I don't love medicine, and naturopathic medicine is a powerful tool to use, and I do believe in the healing power of nature. So it's not a diss. I went to this restaurant is attached to the school where I graduated, so I'm not dissing on them at all. There's amazing doctors that have come out of this program, and I'm one of them. I'm just currently not practicing in prescribing medication, but I do see the benefit in treating the person as a whole, and I believe that comes with being real with yourself and doing things differently, like Juanrdg said. So believing in yourself and being able to chase those dreams, no matter what anybody says, even if it's just you by yourself, the right people will come. And I think that's amazing. So I don't know who's next.